Hey guys, welcome back to DMAC Customs YouTube channel. My partner in crime, Seth, and myself are going down to the Paradise Valley swap meet. I wouldn't call it paradise, but it is valley, and the swap meet does turn up some gold. So let's go and have a look. Hey? Yeah. Hey guys, so the Rotorua Swap meet happens every year. I actually don't know who hosts it, but they have it up in Paradise Valley in the speedway track up there. It's a little dirt track speedway that they race speedway cars at. Go around and around. Anyway, they always kind of end up with a bit of a bunch of people take their cars, you know, American cars, British cars, Australian cars, European cars, whatever, take them along to the event, and they park them up inside the speedway track there. So go and have a look around those as well, see what's parked up in there. So didn't go nuts shooting a heap of footage of the swap meet tables and stuff, because it was really busy and there was people standing around them and stuff. It seemed a little bit weird, kind of creepy, but shot a little bit, you know, you can see a kind of general idea of what was at the Rotorua Swap meet. Just a lot of rusty stuff and old stuff and some good stuff, stationary motors and things like that. What do you, I don't know what you need those for, but anyway, some people like them. And yeah, lots of cool stuff. It's like you're in there, sometimes you just fluke things and find something really cool to swap meet, so they're worth going to and catch up and have a yarn with other petrol heads and stuff as well. So also there's that behemoth of a thing, that big car that has the V12 Merlin Meteor engine in it. What a beast. You wait until you see that. I saw that a few years back when it was getting built, and then that's probably the first time I've actually had a close-up of it in its complete state. So that was really cool to see, and it's for sale. Yeah, but that's the same engine they put in some tanks apparently, and it was in during World War II they put those engines in the Spitfires and the Hurricanes and the fighter planes. So yeah, and they were, like, when they first built them, they were 1,000 horsepower, and towards the end of the war they were something like 1,800 horsepower. So they're pretty epic, big 27 litre engine or something like that. You'll see. You watch the video and you'll see. It's pretty cool. Anyway, just go and have a look at the video, and I'll go and do something else while you're doing that.
Yeah, sorry. No, that's all right. It's not your fault. I just picked it up here.
Yeah, paint on it.
That one on your head.
No?
Oh, man. What? Hey, Pete, is this 40 or 49? What?
And he also tells
And then
and then yet last time.
Yeah, well, so that's a green label on the other one.
That's some shit.
No.
Oh, solely.
Oh yeah, what did you make us an operator? You'll get used to it. Sort of good. Yeah, that's what I was at. But I mean, it's still got a record of one.
Yeah.
You don't leave me alone.
A lot of motor for a little car, eh?
Yeah.
Steel, I think.
it.
You're right. This Volkswagen's pretty cool, eh? Look at that dash. How cool is that? It's yours?
Yeah.
Ah, stunning, mate. It's awesome. It's got sparkles on the roof too.
Yeah.
This thing used to have the supercharger sticking out of it.
Yeah.
There we go. I think it's flipping out.
You don't leave me alone. See if you're right.
A lot of motor for a little car, eh?
Yeah.
Hey guys, just got back about half an hour ago from the old Rotorua Swap meet, which is a midwinter thing that if you got this far you would have seen some of the stuff that we were looking at down there. Not a bad little adventure. I managed to pick up some marker light bezels and lenses. One of the lenses is crap, but the actual bezels are in better condition than the ones I got with the Area 51. So pretty happy with that. Got them for $40. They were 45. I beat that guy down. Yeah, it was pretty savage. I didn't film that because YouTube might have censored it. Yeah. Anyway. Kind of went something like this. Hey mate, will you take 40 for these? Well, how much is on them? 45. Yeah. So I gave him $40 and I was on my way before he changed his mind or chased me down and beat me up. But he was about 90, so yeah, it was okay. He wasn't really 90. He was about, I don't know, maybe 70-year-old bloke, but he'd probably still outrun me. So yeah, good little win, worth the drive down there. As you can see from, if you've got this far, you would have seen some of the other stuff we looked at. So yeah, it was a good morning out. Cold though, God, it's always cold down there. But anyway, as always, thanks for watching and getting this far in the video. And till next time, subscribe, and then you know when the next time is. Till then, peace.